Love cooking but hate the cleanup? These practical tools are here to save your time and your sanity. Whether you're baking, grilling, or meal prepping, each item in this lineup was made to simplify your kitchen routine. Frustrated with uneven cooking and sticky pans? This TFAL set offers two versatile sizes 10 and 12, craft from hard anodized aluminum for durability and even heat distribution. The titanium reinforced non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and quick cleanup. Featuring thermospot technology, the pans indicate when they're perfectly preheated. Oven safe up to 400F and dishwasher safe, these pans combine performance with convenience. Craving barista quality coffee at home? The Ninja offers 4 brew styles: classic, rich, over ice, and specialty, so you can enjoy everything from a smooth morning cup to a bold espresso-like shot. Its built-in, fold-away frother transforms hot or cold milk into silky foam for lattes and cappuccinos. With 6 brew sizes, from a single cup to a full carafe and a 40 ounces removable water reservoir, it's designed for versatility and convenience. Plus, it uses your favorite ground coffee, no pods required. Need both hot and iced coffee without switching machines? The Keurig K Duo Gen 2 lets you brew a single cup for busy mornings or a full pot for guests, all from one sleek setup. Use your favorite pods or ground coffee, whatever suits your mood. You can even brew directly over ice for a refreshing chilled option anytime. A large 72 ounces reservoir means fewer refills, and the compact design fits comfortably on most counters. Its convenience and flexibility, brewed fresh every time. Say goodbye to ripped parchment and burned fingers. These heat-resistant silicone slings are designed for effortless sourdough baking. Their wide arms make it easy to lower and lift dough into your Dutch oven without sticking, sliding, or tearing. Durable, flexible, and reusable after every loaf. Oven safe up to 500F, they offer both protection and precision for artisan bread lovers. Looking to elevate your culinary creations with precision and flair? The TBT butane torch offers a reliable flame for tasks like caramelizing siami BRLE, searing meats, or crafting cocktails. Its adjustable flame control allows for versatility in intensity, catering to various cooking needs. It also works great for melting cheese, toasting breadcrumbs, or adding a smoky finish to your dishes. The built-in safety lock ensures secure operation, preventing accidental ignition. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic grip provides stability during use. Refillable with butane gas, it's a sustainable choice for both kitchen and DIY projects. Its compact size makes it easy to store in any kitchen drawer or take on the go for outdoor cooking. Whether you're a professional chef or a home enthusiast, this torch brings precision and convenience to your fingertips. Looking to elevate your dessert presentation? These 4 ounces porcelain ramekins are perfect for individual servings of siami BRLE, soufflés, or molten lava cakes. They're also great for prepping ingredients, serving dips, or portioning snacks. Craft from durable, oven-safe ceramic, they withstand high temperatures and are also microwave and dishwasher safe for convenience. Their classic white design complements any table setting, while the stackable feature ensures easy storage. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet night in, these ramekins add a touch of elegance to your culinary creations. Need a pan that can handle large meals without sticking or burning? The Hexglad 7-quart scoop pan blends the best of stainless steel and non-stick to give you pro-level results. Its layered build spreads heat evenly, while the wide base makes it perfect for browning, searing, or simmering. Compatible with all cooktops and safe for high-heat cooking, it's a powerhouse for serious home chefs. Craving grilled flavor without stepping outside? The Sensat 10-inch grill pan brings the sear indoors. Its Swiss Arlig non-stick coating ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, even with minimal oil. The rich surface creates authentic grill marks, while draining excess fat for healthier meals. Craft from cast aluminum, it heats evenly and works on all stovetops, including induction. The Bakelite handle stays cool, providing a comfortable grip during cooking. It's also oven safe up to moderate temperatures, giving you more flexibility when finishing dishes. Whether you're searing steaks or grilling veggies, this pan delivers outdoor taste from your kitchen. Frustrated with muffins sticking or pans warping? This set of two 12-cup silicone muffin pans features a sturdy metal reinforced frame, ensuring stability and easy handling. The non-stick silicone surface allows for effortless release of baked goods, making cleanup a breeze. Oven-safe and dishwasher-friendly, these pans are perfect for baking muffins, cupcakes, or even egg bites. Their flexibility and durability make them a reliable choice for both novice and experienced bakers. Want storage that's both reliable and beautiful? These large glass jars give you the best of both. With a graceful tulip shape and generous 1-liter volume, they're perfect for fermenting sourdough, canning jam, or organizing pantry staples in style. The wide mouth makes filling and scooping easy, while the solid glass build feels heavy, durable, and made to last. Each jar includes a glass lid, natural rubber gasket, and metal clips, all designed to keep contents airtight and fresh. Whether you're preserving fruit, storing grains, or starting a fermentation project, these jars handle it all without plastic or waste, and when they're not in use, they double as beautiful kitchen decor or gift containers. Strong, simple, and stylish, the kind of jar you'll reach for again and again. Want your kitchen to stand out as much as your recipes? This heart-shaped Dutch oven brings personality and performance in one charming design. With a 2-quart capacity, it's great for side dishes, romantic dinners, or homemade desserts. The enameled surface adds color while helping prevent food from sticking. Cast iron construction means steady, even heat. Whether you're simmering on the stovetop or roasting in the oven, dual handles make it easy to move from counter to table, and the snug lid helps lock in flavor and moisture, a playful piece that cooks as beautifully as it looks. Tired of uneven flour coverage and messy countertops? This stainless steel flour duster offers precise control for dusting flour, powdered sugar, or cocoa. Its one-handed operation allows for effortless use, even when your other hand is occupied. The spring-loaded handle ensures a consistent and fine dusting, enhancing your baking precision. Craft from durable 300 for stainless steel, it's resistant to rust and easy to clean. The compact design makes it easy to store, and it's dishwasher safe for added convenience. Whether you're a professional baker or a home enthusiast, this tool adds efficiency and cleanliness to your baking routine. Want rich coffee on the go without single-use filters? This all-in-one set lets you brew directly into the included insulated mug, no electricity or waste needed. The stainless steel pour-over filter is reusable and easy to rinse, delivering bold, full-bodied flavor by capturing essential coffee oils. The rugged design is made for outdoor use, yet sleek enough for a home kitchen. The mug keeps your coffee hot longer and fits easily into backpacks or cup holders. Cleanup is simple, and everything nests together for compact storage, ideal for camping, commuting, or simplifying your daily coffee ritual. Tired of mismatched kitchen tools cluttering your space? This 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set is your all-in-one solution. It includes 6 nesting bowls with airtight lids, 3 grater attachments, and a variety of utensils like spatulas, whisks, and measuring spoons. The bowls range from 1 to 7 quarts, catering to all your cooking needs. Each bowl features a non-slip silicone base for stability during mixing, and the polished interior ensures easy cleaning. The airtight lids keep your ingredients fresh, making storage hassle-free. Plus, the grater attachments fit directly onto the bowls, streamlining food prep. Designed for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs, this set combines functionality with style. The khaki color adds a modern touch to your kitchen, and the nesting design saves valuable cabinet space. Whether you're baking, mixing, or storing, this comprehensive set has you covered. What if one tool could handle breakfast, lunch, and dinner? This heavy-duty reversible cast iron plate gives you 2 surfaces in one compact design. The smooth griddle side is perfect for pancakes, eggs, or sandwiches, while the ridged grill side adds those bold sear marks to meat and veggies. It spans 2 burners, offering plenty of space to cook for the whole family. Made from solid cast iron, it heats evenly and retains temperature long after the flame is off. Its flat surface also makes it a great station for warming tortillas, crisping bacon, or toasting sandwiches with ease. There are no synthetic coatings, just a naturally seasoned surface that improves with use. When properly maintained, it builds a natural non-stick layer that enhances both performance and flavor over time. Easy grip handles let you shift it from stovetop to oven or even over a campfire. Use it indoors or out for sizzling steaks or morning French toast. It's not just cookware, it's a lifetime cooking companion. Craving smooth, low-acid iced coffee without the CAF prices? The Ovalware J3 lets you brew barista-level cold brew right at home. Simply add ground coffee, fill with water, and let it steep overnight. Wake up to a rich, refreshing drink that's naturally less bitter and easier on the stomach. Its 1.5-litre borosilicate glass carafe is built to last, featuring an airtight seal that locks in freshness for up to 2 weeks. The fine stainless steel filter ensures a clean, sediment-free pour, and is easy to remove and rinse. Designed to fit snugly in your fridge door, this brewer also doubles as a tea infuser or a vessel for flavoured water. With a sleek look and intuitive design, it's perfect for busy mornings, relaxing afternoons, or weekend brunches. Plus, its minimalist style looks great on any kitchen counter, adding a touch of modern elegance. Take control of your brew and enjoy premium coffee anytime. Tired of flour-covered counters and uneven dough? This extra-large silicone mat transforms your prep space into a clean, precise baking zone. Measuring 26 by 16 inches, it gives you plenty of room for rolling out cookies, pizza dough, or pie crusts without sticking or shifting around. Built from durable, food-grade silicone, it's thicker than most, no slipping, no bunching, just smooth rolling every time. Printed measurement guides make it easy to size dough accurately, saving time and frustration. Oven safe up to 480F, it also works as a liner for baking trays. When you're done, simply rinse or toss it in the dishwasher, no more scrubbing stuck on dough. Reusable, ECO-friendly, and space-saving when rolled up, this mat is a must-have for any home baker. Skip the parchment. Upgrade your baking routine. Craving strong, flavorful coffee in a compact design? The Farberware electric percolator brings the rich taste of traditional brewing into a sleek, stainless steel package. Designed for small households, it brews 2 to 4 cups with consistent strength and aroma. Unlike drip machines, this percolator circulates hot water through coffee grounds for a deeper, bolder flavor. The heating element works quickly, so your coffee is ready in just minutes. Once brewing is complete, it automatically switches to keep warm mode, so your coffee stays hot without overcooking. A detachable power cord makes it easy to serve at the table, while the stay cool handle and knob protect your hands from heat. Its polished stainless steel body looks sharp on any countertop and is easy to wipe clean. Perfect for cozy kitchens, campers, or anyone who loves a nostalgic brew with modern convenience. Craving rich, flavorful coffee without the fuss? This pour-over coffee maker offers a simple yet effective brewing method. Made from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it ensures your coffee stays hot without imparting any unwanted flavors. The cork grip provides a comfortable and secure hold, adding a touch of elegance to your morning routine. The stainless steel mesh filter eliminates the need for paper filters, allowing the natural oils of the coffee to enhance the flavor profile. This not only reduces waste, but also ensures a more robust taste. The 34-ounce capacity is perfect for serving multiple cups, making it ideal for both solo mornings and hosting guests. Cleanup is straightforward, just rinse the filter and carafe, and you're ready for the next brew. Whether you're a seasoned coffee enthusiast or new to the pour-over method, this coffee maker delivers consistency and quality with every cup. Experience the art of coffee brewing with this stylish and functional addition to your kitchen. Tired of sticky dough and awkward handles? This wooden rolling pin brings simplicity and comfort back to baking. With a sturdy hardwood body and smooth finish, it glides over dough without tugging or sticking. Its generous length makes it ideal for rolling out pie crusts, cookies, or flatbread evenly and efficiently. The contoured handles sit comfortably in your hands, giving you control without strain. Its balanced weight helps distribute pressure naturally, so your dough stays level across the surface. No frills, just solid construction that works every time. It looks great, stores easily, and requires only a quick wipe to stay clean. Whether you're making weekend pastries or prepping a pizza night from scratch, this is the kind of kitchen tool you'll reach for again and again. Simple, reliable, ready for every recipe. Need a reliable way to preserve your food or speed up your cooking? The TFAL 22 quart pressure canner is built for both. Whether you're preparing large batches of soups, stews, or canning fresh produce, its extra large capacity saves time and effort. Made from durable, warp-resistant aluminum, it heats evenly for consistent results. 3 pressure settings, 5, 10, and 15 psi, give you control over every recipe, from tender meats to sealed jars of veggies. The secure lock lid system and easy-to-read pressure gauge ensure safe, accurate cooking. A venting system and steam release valve offer added peace of mind. It comes with 2 canning racks, letting you stack jars and process more at once. Compatible with both gas and electric stovetops, it's perfect for meal preppers, gardeners, and home chefs alike. Whether you're storing food for the season or cooking in bulk for your family, this appliance is a kitchen workhorse that delivers performance and practicality. Looking for a fast, mess-free way to enjoy your favorite coffee? The Keurig K Express delivers rich flavor in minutes with 3 customizable brew sizes 8, 10, and 12 ounces so you can control strength and volume with ease. For those who like their coffee bold, the strong brew feature intensifies the taste without added time. Its 42 ounces removable water reservoir makes it easy to brew multiple cups before refilling, ideal for busy mornings or shared spaces. Compact and sleek, it fits perfectly on small countertops or in office kitchens. It's compatible with all K-Cup pods, giving you endless choices from classic blends to seasonal flavors and even tea or cocoa. The user-friendly interface includes simple button controls, so there's no learning curve. Just insert a pod, press a button and enjoy. Cleanup is just as easy, thanks to the removable drip tray that accommodates travel mugs and prevents spills. Whether you're powering through a workday or easing into the weekend, this brewer keeps your routine energized. Tired of uneven dough and uncomfortable grips? This classic wooden rolling pin offers a reliable solution for your baking needs. Crafted from moisture-resistant hardwood, it ensures durability and a smooth rolling experience. The 17.75-inch length provides ample surface area for rolling out pie crusts, cookie dough, and pizza bases with ease. Ergonomically designed handles offer a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended baking sessions. The pin's balanced weight allows for consistent pressure, ensuring uniform thickness across your dough. Its traditional design complements any kitchen aesthetic, blending functionality with timeless style, easy to clean and maintain. This rolling pin is a staple for both novice bakers and seasoned pastry chefs. Whether you're preparing holiday cookies or homemade bread, it delivers consistent results every time. Looking to craft your own gourmet chocolate bars at home? The Fimery silicone chocolate bar mold offers a simple and efficient way to create personalized treats. Made from 100% BPA-free, food-grade silicone, this mold ensures safety and durability for all your confectionery endeavors. Its non-stick surface allows for easy release of chocolates, minimizing breakage and mess. The rectangular design produces 6 uniform bars, each ideal for gifting or personal indulgence. With a temperature resistance ranging from 40°F to 446°F, it's suitable for use in ovens, microwaves, freezers, and dishwashers. Whether you're making chocolate, energy bars, or even wax melts, this versatile mold adapts to your creative needs. Its flexible yet sturdy construction ensures longevity and consistent results. Clean up is a breeze. Simply rinse or place it in the dishwasher. Elevate your homemade treats with professional-looking results using this reliable mold. Hosting a dinner or potluck and need a stress-free way to keep meals warm and delicious? Its compact footprint makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, or dorm rooms. This 3.5 quart Elite Gourmet slow cooker is designed in a casserole shape that's perfect for lasagna, baked pasta, dips, or side dishes. The ceramic insert cooks your food evenly and can go straight from heating to serving, no extra dishes required. Choose between low, high, or warm settings to match your recipe and schedule. The secure locking lid and large side handles make it travel-friendly for events or family gatherings. When the meal is over, just pop the insert and lid in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. It's also great for prepping meals ahead of time. Just set it and forget it until dinner time. With a vibrant red exterior and sleek design, it looks great on any kitchen counter or buffet table while keeping your food perfectly warm and ready to serve.